In this video, you'll learn how to use the free features of Higgsfield AI. This guide will take you through each step, allowing you to take full advantage of the platform's offerings. Start by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the VibeMotion AI video generation link. Clicking this will direct you to the specific section where you can explore video generation features. Next, locate the image button on the VibeMotion page. Clicking this will open up options related to image creation. You will see various tools and settings that you can use to generate. After that, find and click on the features option. This will present you with different features available for image generation. Take note of these options as they will enhance your ability to create customized images. Once you have reviewed the features, proceed to click on Create Image. This action will initiate the image creation process. A loading indicator may appear while your request is being processed, so please wait for it to complete. Following the image creation, click on the Cinema Studio image option. This will provide you with additional tools and settings specifically designed for cinematic image creation. You can experiment with these options to achieve your desired results. Now navigate to the image button. Again, within the Cinema Studio section, this will allow you to continue working with images in a cinematic format, offering a different perspective on your creations. Next, click on Create Storyboard. This feature is essential for organizing your images into a coherent sequence, which is particularly useful for video projects. Wait for the storyboard interface to load before proceeding. Then select the Sole ID character option. This feature allows you to create unique characters for your projects. Be sure to explore the customization options available here. Following this, click on Relight. This function will let you adjust the lighting and mood of your images, which can significantly impact the overall feel of your project. Next, navigate to the InPaint feature. This tool is useful for refining images by filling in missing areas or correcting imperfections. Allow the system to process your inputs before moving on. Once you have finished with InPainting, click on Image Upscale. This feature enhances the resolution of your images, making them suitable for high-quality outputs. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to process. Now find the face swap option. This feature allows you to replace faces in your images with those of other characters. Ensure to review the results carefully after the processing is complete. Next, navigate to the video section. Here you can start creating videos by integrating the images and features you have worked on previously. Wait for the video interface to load before continuing. Once in the video section, click on Features. This will provide you with various tools to enhance your video project further. Familiarize yourself with these options to maximize your creative potential. Afterward, click on Create Video. This action will begin the video generation process. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take some time, so please be patient. Next, select Cinema Studio Video. This feature allows you to create videos with a cinematic touch, adding depth and professionalism to your project. Then, click on Mixed Media. This option enables you to combine different media formats, enriching your video content. Wait for the platform to load the mixed media tools. Following this, select Edit Video. This feature will allow you to make adjustments and refine your video before finalizing it. Take your time to ensure everything is to your satisfaction. Next, click on Click to Add. This option can be utilized to set up advertisements within your video content. Ensure you configure any necessary settings. Then navigate to Sora 2 Trends. This feature provides insights into current trends that can enhance your video projects. Review these trends to stay relevant. Now click on Edit Video once more. This step allows you to go back and make further adjustments if needed. Be sure to check your edits carefully. Following this, select InPaint again to refine any aspects of your video content that require attention. Each refinement can significantly improve the quality of your output. Next, click on Relight once more. Adjust the lighting in your video project to match your desired aesthetic or mood. Finally, click on AI Stylist. This feature offers advanced styling options that can help you achieve a unique look for your project. Take the time to explore the available choices. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.